By now, hopefully you've seen our other video that talks about how the date of acquisition is really what determines whether or not an asset or debt is yours and yours alone, or whether or not you have to share it on divorce. Today, I want to talk to you about some of the different nuances that go along with that rule. Let's talk about an example. Let's say that you purchased a home together with your spouse and you purchased it during the marriage. So we know it would be community property and you have to share it, right? Now let's say you guys decide you want to install a swimming pool in that house. And let's say wife has received an inheritance. So you guys decide that you're going to use that inheritance to install the swimming pool. Now, inheritances and gifts are the exception to the community property rules. Those things are both separate property as long as they were given to just one of the spouses. So let's say you're going to use that inheritance to install the swimming pool. And let's say that price was $50,000. If and when you go to divorce and split that home, wife is going to get that $50,000 back right off the top of any equity because that's her separate property. So she's going to get that back before we look at splitting any other equity equally. Now, if you're interested in the legal mumbo jumbo part of this is called a separate property reimbursement, or to get extra fancy, a 2640 reimbursement. That number just refers to the code section that's in the California Family Code. That part doesn't really matter though. What matters is that you understand if you or your spouse took some of your separate property money and made an improvement to your community property home, that money will get reimbursed right off the top before anything else happens when you go to divide that home in a divorce. If you think this situation may apply to you and you'd like to talk to us further about it, feel free to give us a call. We have lots of experience dealing with exactly this scenario, and we'd be happy to help you.